Hello guys, we are here in Levant. This is sponsored actually by the hospital for the beach part of the girls. So we are here today. We will be staying here from 10 to 6 p.m. Hello guys, we're here now. So, ano to, sunbathing. Totoong sunbathing talaga kasi tirik ang araw as in, you know. Yun, oh, si Rosalie, yung birthday girl. Sponsored ang kanyang birthday ng Al Salama. Only drinks and snacks. So, we'll be staying here until 5:30.
Ice coffee.
Iced coffee.
Ice cream muna, pwede.
Okay.
Na-preskon talaga ito na maghubad ako. Pinagsisiyan ko ito.
I will tour you around the place, guys. So this is the hallway. When you enter Levant, this is the hallway that you can see. Yeah. And then here you can see a children's playground in front near the car park. Yeah, that is the car park, and this is the front side of the Levant. So there's a lot of flowers here, grasses, trees, and also there is a court there. I think it's a volleyball court. There is a swing. So we'll try the swing if it can carry me or not.
Try
if
natin
it will
tong
not
swing
be
guys, kung
destroyed.
kakayanin akong swing. So actually ayoko dun sa dagat kasi sobrang init. It's almost 4 p.m. Yeah, it's almost 4 p.m. So much mainit talaga doon sa dagat. Hindi din ako actually naligo. Naligo ako sa banyo na lang. Kasi ayoko ma-expose doon. Sobrang init talaga. So anyway, it's quite relaxing but I'm not very satisfied of the experience. Kasi nga walang parang masyadong space na pwede ka magpahinga, ganun. So yan po ang entrance niya, Genocide. Plus yung parking space. Hindi siya actually masyadong malaki. And all girls lang po dito. Exclusive lang siya. May area for girls. And they are opening from 9 to 6 p.m. only. Actually, doon sa loob, mayroon pa siyang pool na dalawa. Pero of course, I cannot take video from there. Kasi, bawal nga.
This is the hallway going to the end of the resort. So, bali guys, medyo hindi na masyadong mainit. So, punta tayo doon. Para makita natin yung view from here. Yan. Maganda din talaga yung dagat nila kasi nga malinis, ganun. Kaya lang, yun nga, sobrang init talaga kanina. So, ang gagawin natin, mag-video lang tayo dito sa place na to and then mag-pictures. Ang fun lang dito guys kasi only drinks and snacks po kami dito. Kahit inong i-order mo, kumbaga babayaran ng company. So, 1 to sawa ang order guys. Well, ayan. Mahaba din to actually na place ay na hallway before mo ma-reach yung end ng resort. Pero syempre doon mismo sa resort, hindi ka makapag-video kasi nga bawal nga doon. Pero here, kasi wala namang tao, pwede.
Pinaka-end ng resort, guys.
So calm ang dagat today, blue na blue ang water, and calming yung hampas ng alon at saka yung air na mafe-feel mo sa
Kita
iyong
pa yung
skin.
mga bato. Wala siyang kalat talaga. Tapos doon na side, yung makikita nyo, ibang ano naman yan, ibang resort na rin. Ang linaw ng water.
Since hapon na nga, so maganda nang magtambay dito guys kasi hindi na siya masyadong mainit. So while waiting for our friends na matapos sila mag-swimming, dito muna ako guys magtambay-tambay. Pa-sunset na rin actually. So maganda na rin manood ng sunset dito. Ayan. Siguro mga 1 hour na lang and then we're going home na rin. Kasi before 6 p.m. dapat nakaalis na lahat ng mga guests nila dito. Dahil 6 p.m. close na talaga yung place.
Ganda ng waves guys. Relaxing. Pero siguro malalim na to dito kasi blue na. Hindi na nakikita yung stone sa baba.
While enjoying the view guys, mayroon ka ding minsan makikita dito na speedboat. Yan. From time to time, may makikita kang ganyan dito guys, na dumadaan. Pero kami, hindi naman kami nag-rent kasi wala naman dito sa Lipon. Sa other, sa other resort. So, while we are still here, we have to enjoy the place. Sulitin na natin, guys. At syempre, hindi na natin ma-afford tong mag-rent dito or mag-avail kasi ito ay, sponsored lang po ng aming hospital for the staffs. Dahil nga exclusive for girls lang tong place na to, so, alam mo naman ang culture dito sa Middle East, hindi pwedeng magsama yung mga babae at lalaki sa isang place, especially for like these places na expose yung katawan if gusto nilang mag swimsuit or ganyan, mag two-piece, but here they can express their self and they can do anything they want. So these are some of my pictures also guys, and after that we are going home na. The fun part of going into places is to have memories. Good memories actually. Because maybe you will never know, you will never come back on that place again. So whatever opportunity you have to take advantage of it and you have to enjoy the day. You have to explore the whole place. And whatever amenities it has, you have to take advantage of it. As they say, we have to live this world just once. So, if we have a chance to make our life more meaningful and more fun each day, we have to do it. I hope you did have a fun time watching my video today, guys. And thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Especially for my channel members and my constant follower. Thank you so much. Your support really means a lot, especially for us small creators. I hope you will not get tired of supporting my channel. God bless you more.
That's all for today guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, Pink Mom RN. See you in my next vlog. Bye. God bless everyone.